Hi mga kasoldring! For today's video, ang papakita po namin ngayon ay magnifying lamp LT86B 10 times LED. So guys, merong mga client na nag-order sa atin ng magnifying lamp LT86B 10 times LED. So guys, isa-test natin ang first magnifying lamp, first set. Ito guys, may kasama siyang manual.
So guys, kailangan natin mag-gloves para hindi siya magkagasgas or magka-dent.
So yun guys, makikita nyo na wala siyang lens.
Kailangan natin siyang tignan kung may gasgas o dent. Kabila. Guys. Wala naman. Yan. So, try naman natin siyang testingin kung nailaw. Yun siya, guys. Yan. Ayan ang ating first set ng ating magnifying lamp. So, guys, ito ang kanyang switch na on and off. Yan. So, tingnan natin siya. So, second set naman.
So ngayon guys, itatry naman natin ang ating second set ng magnifying lamp.
So, ano nga bang specs ng ating magnifying lamp? Circular lens magnifying lamp. Magnifying lamp and daylight lighting combined. Advanced electronic ballast optical lens. Safe to people's eyesight. Shadow-free, luminous, and consistent light. Prepared lens. 3 times, 5 times, 8 times, 10 times can be chosen. The 22-watt circular light bulb is widely available at low price. Applications: electronic circuit board assembly and repair. Inspection of circuit board can be used in different fields, i.e. engineers, doctors, art lovers, stamp collector, etc. Yan siya, guys.
So guys, ito yung ating switch ng on and off.
Yan, i-off na natin siya. Okay, ang ating second set ng magnifying lamp, LED 10 times. LT86B 10 times. Third set naman.
So guys, titest naman natin itong third set ng magnifying lamp.
So, ang model niya guys is Hanstar LT86B 10 times. So, ang voltage niya ay 220 volts, power 22 watts, lens diameter 125 mm, lens available 5 times 10 times, adjustable height 500 mm, support desktop, pole supported, weight 2.5 kilogram.
So guys, titest natin siya kung nakilaw ang ating magnifying lamp. So yun guys.
Ayan ang ating third set na magnifying lamp. Okay siya, wala siyang damage, wala siyang dent at gasgas.
Yan guys, wala siyang dents. Gas-gas. Tapos ito yung switch na ating magnifying lamp.
On and off.
On and off. So guys, off na natin siya. So guys, itry naman natin tong 4 set ng magnifying lamp. Test natin dun siya.
Go.
So guys, may manual din po siya.
So, how to use magnifying lamp LT86B 10 times LED. The provided search results do not contain information specific to the LT86B 10 times LED magnifying lamp. However, they offer general guidance on using and modifying magnifying lamps with LED lights. General usage of magnifying lamps. Magnifying lamps are valuable tools for tasks requiring precision and detail such as crafting and hobbies, jewelry making, model building, miniature painting, and intricate sewing. Electronics repair. Soldering, circuit board inspection and component assembly. Cosmetics and beauty. Applying makeup, tweezing eyebrows, and examining skin.
So guys, ang magnifying lamp, itetest na po natin siya.
So guys, ang ating titest ulit ngayon ay pang 5 sets na.
Ito rin po, may manual din po siyang kasama guys.
So balik tayo sa how to use magnifying lamp. Reading and studying. Enhancing visibility for individuals with visual impairments of or for reading fine print. Using an LED magnifying lamp. power supply. Ensure the lamp is connected to a reliable power source, usually a standard electrical outlet. Number 2. Brightness adjustment. Many LED magnifying lamps have a brightness control knob or switch. Adjust the light intensity to your preference. Lens positioning. Adjust the lamp's arm or stand to position the lens at a comfortable distance and angle for your task. Magnification level. Some lamps offer adjustable magnification levels. Select the appropriate level for your specific needs. Task illumination. Position the lamp to provide optimal illumination of the work area. Avoid casting shadows or glare.
So guys, ito na po yung pang-anim po naming magnifying lamp na itetest. May manual din po siyang kasama guys.
So number 6. Eye strain prevention. Take breaks during prolonged use to minimize eye strain. Modifying a magnifying lamp with LEDs. If your magnifying lamp uses a traditional fluorescent bulb, you can convert it to LED lighting for improved efficiency and longevity. This process typically involves disassembly. Carefully disassemble the lamp to access the bulb, housing, and wiring. LED strip installation. Replace the fluorescent bulb with an LED strip, ensuring proper polarity and wiring connections. Power supply adjustment. Adjust the power supply to match the LED strip's requirements. Reassembly and testing. Reassemble the lamp, test the LED strip, and ensure everything functions correctly. Finding specific information on the LT86B 10x LED lamp. To find the specific instructions for using the LT86B 10x LED magnifying lamp, you can check the manufacturer's website or documentation. The manufacturer's website or accompanying documentation should provide detailed instructions and specifications. Search online retailers. Websites where the lamp is sold may have product descriptions, user manuals, or customer reviews that offer insights into its usage. Contact the manufacturer or retailer. Reach out to the manufacturer or retailer for assistance or clarification. So guys, pwedeng mamili ng lens. Meron tayong 3x, 5x, 8x, and 10x. Pero ang ating tinatry ngayon is 10x. And LED na po siya. So yun guys, huwag niyo pong kalimutan mag-subscribe sa aming TikTok account and YouTube account. Yun lang. Thank you!